What if an AI could control other AIs, think for itself, and complete tasks without human intervention? Meet AutoGPT, the AI that doesn't just obey commands but plans, executes, and optimizes workflow autonomously.
Hi all, I am Madhavan, and in this video we'll explore how AutoGPT works, why it's revolutionary, its real-world applications, and a glimpse into the future of AI.
Unlike traditional AI models that require step-by-step human input, AutoGPT breaks down broader objectives into subtasks and directs AI agents to act independently.
Imagine having a personal AI assistant which can run programs, maybe write content, research data, and even debug code without constant supervision.
You want to find out the top AI tools for video editing. Here's how AutoGPT operates. User provides a broad goal, finding the best AI video editors. AutoGPT breaks into the sub-goals like research, feature comparison, and reviews. AI agents execute tasks searching, summarizing, and analyzing. And AutoGPT refine results like filtering data for relevance before delivering the final output.
The ability to manage and optimize all its tasks is which sets AutoGPT apart.
AutoGPT is already transforming industries. Here are some game-changing applications. Content creation, AutoGPT writing, blogs, posts, designing thumbnails, and editing videos. Another one is business automation, like AI handling customer queries, analyzing reports, and optimizing workflows. Thirdly, software development, like writing and debugging code autonomously. And last, market research, AutoGPT scanning thousands of articles to compile insights.
In a fully automated AI assistant which can run businesses, research trends, and even generate creative content without human intervention.
Despite its potential, AutoGPT comes with significant challenges like memory constraints. AutoGPT lacks long-term recall. Another one is accuracy problems. Can generate misleading or incorrect data too. And lastly, ethical concerns. Autonomy raises concerns over misinformation and bias.
AI is evolving rapidly, but should we embrace complete autonomy without regulation?
AutoGPT is just the beginning. AI orchestration could lead to fully autonomous systems managing industries like finance, healthcare, and research.
Are we treaded towards an AI-powered utopia, or should we tread carefully?
AutoGPT is redefining AI capabilities, but will it shape the future or be just a stepping stone?
Should AI autonomy be fully embraced, or should we make even stricter controls? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.